I'm going to show you a quick hack I'm using in order to get more engagement on my YouTube channel and in order to close some sales. So I just put this video up. Okay, so far it's got 314 views. That's okay for the amount of subscribers I have. But I've gotten so far like 27 comments here. And what I'm doing is I'm asking people to comment the word leads in order to get $597 of pro marketing software. So I put that in the video itself, and I also put it in a pinned comment here. You see, I have a pinned comment. Here it is right here. I say comment leads, quote unquote, and I'll send you $597 of pro marketing software for free. Well, people are going for it. They're commenting leads. I'm responding. I come here. I give them the link. Everyone's happy. And this is giving me more engagement, which is great, which can help boost my organic views of this video long term. And it seems to be working. So in any case, what am I selling here? I'm talking about getting your own classified ad website where if you have this, it tracks leads, and I'm getting like 500 leads a day with this, and I'm talking about that. And in the end, if people want to buy their own classified ad website, it's about $300 plus a monthly fee for the hosting. So for me, it's $300 plus a monthly hosting fee of $20. So that's great. It's a good sale for me, and it's a good deal for them. So say I sell 3 of these, that's $900. I do 3 a day. That's $900 a day. That's a lot of money. Okay. So the point is that these people are very worthwhile to me. So I can afford to get hyper personal with them, and I don't need 100,000 views of people who aren't interested in anything, like a car crash video or something. This actually sells something, a real product, a real service that provides real value. I'm probably not going to get car crash video numbers, but I don't care because this video is actually selling a real product and service that offers value to people. So what am I doing? I'm getting hyper personal with these people, and I should have been doing this more. It's really crazy. But so say, for example, here, not only did I come down here and say, thanks for the comment, you can get your free software here. That's copy and paste. Now, what I'm doing is I'm responding by first name. So this is personal. The person was GW, at least that's what it says on his little logo here. And I come here and I said, hey, GW, here's a video which will teach you how to promote your own classified ad website so you can get leads like I'm showing in the video. So I'm giving him more information on the exact topic. I'm showing him another video on my channel, which he can click. He could learn more. This reconfirms not only the whole concept to them, but it shows that I'm willing to deal with them personally. And that is huge, folks. That is so huge. Everyone's being treated like a number. You call, press 1 for this, press 2. I mean, people freak out if you actually treat them like a human being. And that is exactly how a small channel, someone with not hundreds and hundreds of thousands of visitors, can beat the big guys. So if you want to beat the big guys, get hyper personal, have value, and really, treat people like individuals. What have you got to lose? So that's what I'm doing. And I'm coming to each one bit by bit. And I'm just saying, hey, here's some more information. Thought you might like it. GW, I came up and did it for Sammy here. Got his name here in his handle. So, hey, Sammy, what's up? Here's another video I thought you might be interested in. Bam. Check it out. Thanks, Matt. It's personal, all right? And it's not just copy and paste. Every single one is a little bit different. And eventually I'll come up to the others as well and do that. So the bottom line is they're getting personal service. Okay, I'm getting more interaction on my YouTube videos, which can help me in the organic listens, which can help attract more people who I can deal with personally about this particular service product where I make $300 plus recurring income. So think about it. If you've got something that you're promoting and selling, think about offering an incentive for them to comment in order to get like an ebook or software. You can even use my software if you wanted, and say, hey, if you want, and you could put your affiliate link here. You could, because if you put a question mark, ref equals your affiliate name, and I'll put that in the, right here in the video and in the description so you see what that is. You join our affiliate program and say you want to use this URL. You could put question mark, ref equals your affiliate username, you'll get credit for it. They'll go in our funnel. Our funnel will work for you. You give away the software. That's just another option for you. And by the way, you're welcome to use any of my videos. You will have to modify them a little bit. They're all Creative Commons, which means you can use them on your own channels, but you do have to do some editing and modify them a little bit to make your own. You can't just copy the whole video. YouTube doesn't like that. So that's just an idea as well. Or you can offer your own bonus, which is great for whatever product or service you're doing, and say, to get this bonus, comment bonus or whatever it is that you're offering in the comments area, and I'll send it to you. Great. And that encourages people to interact on your video. Maybe you already knew this. Hey, I just started using this. It seems to be working. And I think it's a great technique for smaller channels. So if you think this is helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're interested in getting a free rebrandable ebook that you can rebrand in just a couple seconds with your affiliate links, give it away and earn recurring commissions, comment commissions in the description below, and we'll do this dance that we're doing here. I'll send it to you in the comments area. So go ahead and comment commissions, and I'll send you this free ebook. It's been a big hit that you can give away. First of all, you rebrand it with your own affiliate links. It just takes 2 seconds. You just click, it's done. It's really easy. And you just give away that ebook, and it's embedded with your affiliate links. It's great. And if anybody orders, you earn recurring affiliate commissions. So I'll send that off to you. Comment commissions in the comments area below, and we'll get that going. And go ahead, start implementing this technique on your YouTube channel and let me know how it goes. Send me the video. I really want to see it. If you have a video where implementing this technique, whether you're using my software or you're using your own, I want to see it. Please send it to me. DM me and send it off to me. Or put it in a comment on this YouTube, and I'll go check out your channel to see what it's about, to see if this is actually working for you. All right, so thanks so much. This is Matthew May with QuickRegisterSEO.com. Please subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to working with you and seeing what you guys are doing on your YouTube channel as well.